Exercise is known for its benefits on physical fitness, weight loss, inch loss, and transformation. But the people in this active lifestyle have observed being way more better, feel more active and more energetic. But how and why? These questions brought me up in learning certain facts between the link of exercise and mental health. Hello everyone. This video is going to be about that link between exercise and mental health, and also the benefits which exercise provides on treating the mental illnesses. I know most of you have heard about the term runner's high. Yes, it is that temporary euphoric state or the temporary state of happiness or well-being which we experience post-workout. And this state of mind can be extended over a longer period of time on doing exercise on a regular basis. So this helps you to stay happy and lift up your mood for a longer period of time. Talking about the science behind the link of mental health and exercise, with exercise there's increase in blood supply to brain, and this obviously increases the supply of the neuronal hormones and neurotrophic factors to the brain. And this actually increases the functioning of neurons, their growth, their connectivity. And this actually plays a major role in functioning of hippocampus. Now, hippocampus is that part of brain that actually is responsible for regulating our moods, our emotions, our memory, and the way we learn. So with this increase in blood supply and these factors, there's a shoot up in functioning of hippocampus. And in this way, exercise actually acts as a mood enhancer. And another interesting fact is that exercise actually helps out a person going through depression. On comparison with the antidepressants, which actually work on hippocampus along with serotonin, exercise could be that natural way in dealing with depression. The next benefit of exercise is its anti-anxiety effect. Now let me explain how. Exercise actually acts as a distraction that breaks down that cycle of negative thoughts in our mind, which actually leads to anxiety, right? And the release of endorphins. These happy hormones actually help us to calm down our mind and energizes our body, which gives that sense of well-being. With increase in stress, all of us are experiencing muscle cramps, muscle tension, tightness in chest, or sometimes getting insomniac. All these are actually the signs of stress which are ignored by most of us. So exercise actually helps us in coping up with stress. It gives that resilient power in us. So stretch out your body, relax your mind, and also relax your muscles and relieve that stress. The other interesting benefits of exercise is it increases our concentration and also 3 M's: memory, mood, and motivation. So exercise actually helps us in gaining better focus and attention, which is required by patients with ADHD in specific. Now, I don't say that you have to hit the gym 5 days a week or push yourself for hefty or intense workouts. Be flexible with the workouts you choose and the timings. Give that necessary break to your mind and energize yourself. Be flexible, be comfortable with the exercise you choose, but reward yourself with the benefits of exercise. Indulge in that active lifestyle. I hope this video would give that motivation to indulge in that active lifestyle. Stay happy, stay positive. I hope it helps.